Hello Tinies, welcome back to Tiny to Do, and today is our day 3 of summer camp. On day 2 we made vegetable characters, which was really fun, and I have got a lot of responses for that activity. If you haven't checked it out already, just go and check it out. Okay, so today we are going to do a activity with paper bag. So all the required material you must have got information from our AFP page, and I hope you have gathered all of it around. If not, I am telling it to you right now. Just go and grab the material and then we'll get started. So for today's activity you will need paper bag, medium size, big, small, it is your choice, and the availability. Second is a lot of markers you will need. Third is Fevicol, scissors, okay, and colors is also optional. If you have them, just grab them, or otherwise we'll think creative and do with whatever we already have, right? So without wasting our time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to flip this paper bag upside down. So the white part inside we want out, and this one will go inside. Okay, for that I am cutting out these sides. Okay, and then flip it. So yes. Our whole paper bag has opened up. Now we will flip it. Okay, and all these sides will go behind it. Now we are going to put Fevicol on these sides, all three sides, okay, so that it remains steady and it is not folding anyways, right? So I am just putting some Fevicol here and pressing it nicely, and okay. If you have glue sticks, put glue sticks. If you have Fevicol, do it with the Fevicol. So done. Our base of the work is ready. Now we don't want this part, okay? This part, this handle, we don't want. So we will cut this out. Time for making some eyes. So I am using this bold marker for that. I want to make some. Okay, we will leave a big amount of space for the hair, and then we are going to start with the eye and the mouth. So quickly I am going to make some eyes. I like oval eyes, so I am making that. Make some big eyes, okay? You can take help from emojis, okay? And just work in lines also if you want. And if you want to make it pretty like this, you can do it that as well. For the nose part, I am just making a straight line. And for the smile also, I am using a U. Okay? You can even put googly eyes if you have. If you have googly eyes, put googly eyes here. Now, the best part and the craziest part of the
make some hair. Now it is totally an option to color this part and then cut it, or to cut it straight. I am just cutting it, I am just coloring it roughly. Okay, so this is my whole area which I am going to cut for the hair. Okay, you can use your crayons. I don't have crayons, so I am doing it with a marker, which is also finishing up. I don't know what are we going to do for the next thing. Okay, don't worry if you don't have any material, just be creative and use something else for that. Okay, so I am going to use these this part to make the hair. And now for the hair, I am cutting up straight strips. Okay, so see, hairs of our work is done. We have got so many nicely done hair. Okay, so now just to add some colors, I am using my colorful markers, right? And I want to make a bow hair. It's my pretty doll. Okay, it's up to you how you want to make your doll look, or what you can. I mean, you can make a boy also, and if you wish, you can decorate the hairstyle accordingly. So yes, our doll is ready.
Okay, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the activity and you have made cute, really cool dolls for yourselves. Do share it with me also so that I can see the creative work that you all are doing, and also I can give you feedback if something is not proper, or maybe something that you can do to improve your artworks in future, right? For more information, follow our FB page and Instagram account. There you will get more information about the materials, about the work that others are doing, and lot of other stuff. For tomorrow, we are going to have an activity of bunny origami. Origami activities require a lot of listening skills. I hope you will stay tuned to the channel and listen to all the instructions carefully and create your lovely, cutie, adorable bunnies. So that was it for today. Till tomorrow, stay home, stay safe, stay creative.